Hello, good morning. Myself, Rondar Jayashree Vilas from Department of Chemistry, KANMS, Art Commerce Science College, Satana. Today, we discuss on a subject organometallic chemistry. My topic name is multi-component reaction. Firstly, multi-component reaction means the processes in which three or more starting materials are combined in a same reaction vessel, forming an adduct that contain all or most of the atoms of starting materials. That's called a multi-component reaction. The first named reaction is Biginelli reaction, which is a multi-component reaction. Biginelli reaction is a chemical reaction. It synthesizes 3,4-dihydropyrimidine from a three component that are a aldehyde, ketoester, that is dicarboxyl group, and urea. The reaction is dicarbonyl compound, aldehyde and urea to give a dihydropyrimidine in presence of a solvent, that is acidic ethanolic solution. The mechanism for this reaction is, firstly, dicarbonyl compound gives a tautomerism, that is keto to enol form. In a enol form, there is a presence of carbon-carbon double bond. This carbon-carbon double bond is attacked on a aldehyde carbonyl group. Then there is a formation of hydroxyl. In reaction mixture, there is a presence of acid. This acid is donate proton to hydroxyl group of aldehyde. Then there is a formation of water molecule. This water molecule is then removed to form a carbon-carbon double bond. Now, in reaction mixture, there is a formation of urea. The amine group of urea is attacked on a carbon-carbon double bond. Then formation of carbon-nitrogen bond. Again, second amine group of urea again attacking on a carbonyl group of dicarbonyl compound. There is a formation of ring and carbon-nitrogen double bond. Then again water molecule is formed and it eliminate to form a carbon-carbon double bond in a ring, and we have get a product, that is dihydropyrimidine. This product has a high potential pharmaceutical applications. This reaction is developed by Pietro Biginelli in 1891. Now we see the second multi-component reaction, that is Passerini reaction. Passerini reaction is developed by Mario Passerini in 1921. This reaction is three component reaction, that is aldehyde, acid and isocyanide in presence of methanol to give a alpha acetyloxamide. See the reaction: aldehyde, acid and isocyanide reacted in presence of methanol to give the alpha acetyloxamide. Now we see the mechanism for this reaction. In the mechanism, the acid donate a proton to aldehydic carboxyl oxygen. Then there is a formation of carbocation as well as enolate ion. In reaction mixture, there is a presence of isocyanide. The isocyanide acts as a nucleophile. The carbanion from isocyanide is attacked on a carbocation of aldehyde, and there is a formation of carbon-carbon bond. Simultaneously, the enolate ion is attacked on a carbon of isocyanide, and there is a 1 pi bond break to neutralize the positive charge on nitrogen, and formation of carbon-oxygen bond. At this stage, there is a rearrangement occur and we get a finalized product, that is alpha acetyloxamide. Now we see the next reaction, that is Ugi reaction. Ugi reaction is firstly reported in 1959 by Ivar Carl Ugi. So this reaction name is as Ugi reaction. It is a 4-component reaction, that is 4 reactants are react to give us a product. The ketone or aldehyde plus amine plus carboxylic acid and isocyanide react to give a alpha acylo aminoamide, that is it also called as bisamide. See the reaction, aldehyde and ketone plus amine plus acid and isocyanide. They are reacted in presence of any organic solvent and we give a ring compound, that is alpha acylo aminoamide. It also called as biamide. See the mechanism for this reaction. Firstly, there is a formation of carbon-nitrogen double bond. Amine attacking on a carbonyl of aldehyde or ketone to form a carbon-nitrogen double bond. Then the acid is present. The nitrogen abstracts the hydrogen from acid and formation of enolate ion. Then isocyanide is also present in reaction mixture. This isocyanate is attacked on carbon from carbon-nitrogen double bond. Then formation of carbon-carbon bond. Simultaneously there is a rearrangement occur and isocyanate enolate ion also attack to carbon and formation of a ring, and after rearrangement we get our final product, that is alpha acylo aminoamide. This alpha acylo aminoamide has high potential pharmaceutical uses. From this reaction we prepared the crixivan. Okay, it used as a anesthetics in medicine. For example, lidocaine also prepared by this reaction. Thank you.